Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Luminar Neo, full guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Luminar Neo, begin by closing the application if it is currently open. On your computer, navigate to the control panel. In the control panel, locate and click on Programs and Features. A list of installed programs will appear. Scroll through this list to find Luminar Neo. Once located, click on Luminar Neo to highlight it. Next, look for the Uninstall button at the top of the window. Click on Uninstall to initiate the uninstallation process. A confirmation prompt may appear, asking if you are sure you want to uninstall the application. Confirm your decision by clicking Yes or Uninstall. The uninstallation process will begin, and you may see a progress bar. Once the process is complete, a message will inform you that Luminar Neo has been successfully uninstalled. If you are using a Mac, start by closing Luminar Neo if it is running. Open the Finder and go to the Applications folder. Find Luminar Neo in the Applications folder. Drag Luminar Neo to the trash. Alternatively, you can right-click on Luminar Neo and select Move to Trash. To permanently remove Luminar Neo, right-click on the trash icon and select Empty Trash. After emptying the trash, Luminar Neo will be completely uninstalled. You may also want to check for any leftover files to ensure a clean removal. Check your library folder for any associated files. To access the library, hold down the Option key and click on the Go menu in Finder. Select Library from the drop-down menu. Look in the Application Support and Preferences folders for any Luminar Neo files. If found, delete these files to complete the uninstallation process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.